How to report a bug in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and want to read on how to report a bug that has been happening on this app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to settings at the top right corner. Select it. Then here you can find help and feedback. Right here, tap on it. Then open in browser. Tap on it. Now here you can find you have been opened the website of this app. Now to report a bug, simply tap on to three lines at the top. Select it. Then tap on to report a problem. Just like this. Now from here, simply tap on to this for submitting a request, and from here simply choose the option of bug. Now simply tap on to that option just like this, and from here you can simply report about the bug on this app. And that's it. This is how you can report a bug in Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.